What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Hellboy, and today I'm doing the ceramic pads on the 2023 Hellcat Durango. I ordered the Power Stop ceramic pads offline and received them in the mail within 3 days. I came down here on Atlantic and Via Corona in Montebello, California, to see my guy down here at the tire and mechanic shop, Atlantic Auto Tech and Tires. They're doing the brakes and giving an all-around check on the Hellcat Durango. As you can see, she's up in the air, and my guy David is doing some work. Time to upgrade to ceramic brake pads. Got the new pads in. Ready to bring it down. Give it a brake check. Get back to it. No life left. Getting the brakes changed on the Wrangler. First time putting ceramics on to kill this dust. Dust is excessive. Put the ceramics on. Let's get it. Just like that, she's good to go. Let's get it.
Another 3,000. Bye. Pay to play, right? Ahí le meto yo.
Just got the brake pads switched to ceramics on the Hellcat Durango. I'm at 3,100 miles in the 2023. No more brake dust for me or for Storm. Spent the past 6 days in Mexico. It's good to be back in the Hellcat. Good to be back, guys.